Well, it is Sunday, the 27th of May, and Memorial Weekend. We are up here on Trail 407, which is the west side of Greer, west side of Old Ballard, but the two don't connect. There's private property in the middle. Just out for a short little cruise. This trail's pretty smooth. There's not a lot of complicated stuff on this one. So we figured we'd run the loops, double back around, go check out another little spur that had some flood damage on it. Just a little bit of erosion. It's kind of fun. Get you off camber. And just have fun on a Sunday. Fun day Sunday. Low range, come on. Almost had it. That's funny. We're going to record this to add to the adventure because somebody made a mistake.
No, she's not mad.
She's not mad.
Well, I was going to say, now she really wants her 35.
Yeah, but she didn't damage the sidewall, so she has no excuse to buy new tires. We got to make a video. We're making video. Somebody got too close to the tree.
Darn tree just jumped out in front of me.
I hate it when that happens.
I know, it happens all the time.
2 flats, 1 spare, 3 Jeeps, all with different tire sizes.
Yep.
Let's go with that and see what happens.
No, it's not enough.
No?
No. Not with the fully inflated 35.
Oh, God. Okay.
You know, this is
Yeah, my 35 is 35.
this is on purpose.
Never concluded this video, so we need to conclude it. Oh yeah, there's my 35
That's my 35.
that you have not paid for yet. Oh yeah, and those are my 37s that Julie won't let me buy from Chris.
But Karen's helping him out with that.
There's Karen's spare. Oh yeah,
Thank you.
I forgot we had to do that.
I just couldn't do it with one hand.
Oh, goodness. I'm still really pissed that I have those emergency valve cores in my shopping cart and haven't bought them.
I was thinking about getting one of those.
It's just not cooperating, man. There you go. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass, so.
Well, that's just Karen. That's what she said. You want to get it closer to the bead?
I still have to break the rim, you know?
Yep.
Once it goes, I mean, it'll plunk and it'll be good. It's amazing how much force it takes to.
I was gonna say.
It's pretty incredible. That's why these guys have tire machines that do this. It'll go. And there it goes.
There you go.
Yep, I'm glad you had your hand there, because... If you want my help on anything, just let me know.
Nope.
Okay. So let's see. I don't know if you're supposed to lube these up, but it makes sense that you would. So... Oh, look at that! Freaking sweet. It's on.
All right, can of ether.
How
some
come
bell
we
stems.
couldn't do that on the trail? God damn.
Well, now we got the tool,
Yep.
Yeah, no kidding.
and we can get the ether. I left in the rock rail or standard equipment now.
I need to get the lighter.
We got the fuel.
No. We'll pull the core. I need
Just
that.
kidding.
Oh. We'll pull the core. And it don't take much. I'm gonna let you kick it though, because you have shoes on. Damn it.
Karen, you mean?
Sure.
I can't.
You gotta pull the core. Everybody forgets to do that, and you're literally creating a bomb.
And that's why it goes 25 feet in the air. And
Yes.
The core, 'cause, you know, it's
And
ready
you'll
for-
melt the core.
it's
So.
ready to escape.
And we're basically lined up because the inner bead never popped, so we need more, low angle corn there.
Yes.
This is stuff. Yeah. Boy, that's got some classic ether smell to it.
Does this smell like chloroform?
Heptane, diethyl ether. Ooh, wow.
Just-
And then, where did I spray? Now kick the tire. More. Oh, let it air out. It didn't. It probably evaporated too quick. We'll want to let that air out. And then, yeah, we'll just let it air out. I probably didn't do it quick enough. It's been a long time since I've...
Spray, 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 and then light.
Grab, here, take some... Take some...
Justin thinks this is going to be pretty
Take some-
cool, so
take
you know
some
this is a
deep
bad
pump.
idea.
Of course it's going to be pretty cool.
Okay, stand back.
Yep.
Come on, lighter.
Oh!
Didn't need to kick it.
Yeehaw, buddy! Now it'll start sucking air in here in just a second.
Yep. There it goes. Oh, uh-oh.
Yep, let it come back. It's just inhaling, that's all. It's because it's really hot outside.
That is cool.
Yep.
Scary, but cool.
See how it's coming back in?
Yep.
So, give it just a second. When it's cold out, you got to use a lot. When it's not cold out, you don't have to use nearly as much. But people will forget to pull the cord,
Without that?
and it's literally a bump. So,
Yeah, it's starting to relax.
yep. We'll let that cool down. Plus, it melts the core, so you got to be careful. That's why they come with freaking 15 of them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's warm to the touch. We'll let that cool down a little bit. We can do the other
The
one.
other one?
May as well spin that off there.
Why?
We don't want to do that on the vehicle.
No, I mean... Like,
Oh,
do the
yeah,
second.
yeah, I'm sorry.
Because they're going to have to take it off to get the...
They got to dismount it anyway to get
Okay.
the speed sensor.
So all we need to do is get you
One.
rolling
Yep.
enough to get you either A, home, now that you're in two-wheel drive.
I would
Your
not,
decision.
I wouldn't drive. No, I'm
I
not
wouldn't
driving
drive
at home. Huh?
personally.
I was...
If I lived like right over there, it'd be different.
I wasn't going to recommend it, but I'm not... It's your Jeep.
No.
I
So
would.
yeah, so the next thing, the only thing we need the wheel for is to, number one, get it on all fours.
Right.
Because I imagine if we get it over to your buddies,
Yeah.
he's either going to come by with the trailer and take it, or
We
Justin's going to...
may have to trailer it down.
Yeah.
Or Justin's going to figure it out too, so...